In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock your WhatsApp without installing any other app locks or any other third-party apps. So there is a native feature that WhatsApp provides us that can enable your biometric fingerprint, or you can enter a password or PIN in order to lock your app. So to activate it, you first need to open your WhatsApp and then go to your settings by clicking on the three dots at the top right, then click on settings. Once you open your settings, you can tap on privacy, the second option, and then you can scroll down until you see app lock. So this is inbuilt app lock in the WhatsApp. You can enable, you just tap on it and you can unlock it with your biometrics, your fingerprints, or your Face ID, or you can use passwords or PIN. For now, I'm going to set it up with my biometrics. So just you can turn it on and then authenticate it to enable your fingerprint. Once you do that, you can choose your time to automatically lock your WhatsApp. So I'm just going to put it at default at 1 minute. You can customize it as you want. And this is how you can easily set up your WhatsApp lock without using any external app or any third-party apps. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing and see you on the next one.